Here I am. 1 hour exactly to get here. Some guy just tried to run me down. Here's my truck. Some guy was coming down. Radio was cranking. Radio's cranking. And he starts crossing the line. I hopped off my bike and flung it out there and got off my bike. And I gave him the finger, and he kept on going. Hopefully, the keys are in it, like you said. Oh. He said they were going to be on the floor. He didn't put them out here. No way. Great. Go all the way home. Last time he left him on the floor. Damn. He didn't leave him in here. Good. I can't take this now. I have to bike back in the morning. Ah, damn. No keys. I talked to him. He said he was going to leave him on the floor like last time. I must have left him with confusion. Because the keys definitely not on the floor. Damn it. I'll have to bike all the way home now. Hey, he's got cameras. I wonder if he's watching live from his house. I don't know his home phone. I'm going to drive all the way back in the morning again. Oh, great. I got to bike all the way home. There's 1 hour, 2 hours, and then an hour in the morning. Well, time to bike home. Unless I get lucky and they're in here someplace.